how to check text messages status read, delivered, and sent on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then open up your text conversation. Now to check the status of the text message, touch and hold onto a text message. Then we tap on the more button at the top and choose view details. And here you can check if it has been sent, successfully delivered. So it shows here delivered, but not yet been read. Here you can see my other text messages. Where it has been successfully read, it will show the status such as sent and delivered but not read. So see if I can find one that has been successfully read. So again, it hasn't been, so I'll probably just try to read this text message. Okay, so I have read the message. Let's try it again. So tap on view details. Okay, it hasn't been updated yet, so maybe there is a delay, but when it is read, it should show in here as read. Okay, so after a few moments, I'm going to check again, and you can see this time it shows the message has been read at 5:53. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.